It is called the lipstick indicator, and it's long given investors and consumer companies a pretty good sense of the economy and where people are determined to spend money. Courtney Reagan joins us right now with the story. And how's the lipstick indicator doing these days, Court?
Pretty well, Becky. You know, consumers may be pretty cranky when they're filling up their cars and their grocery carts because of inflation, but they're looking their best while they're doing it. Ulta's net sales increased nearly 17% in the quarter from the year prior. Coty sales up 10%. That's the parent behind beauty brands including CoverGirl, Max Factor, Gucci, Burberry, Kylie Skin, many others. Estee Lauder sales grew 9%. Target Beauty sales saw high single-digit growth. Kohl's stores with the Sephora are seeing high single-digit sales lift compared to the stores that don't have one yet. Coty CEO Sue Nabi said the beauty is seeing no signs of slowdown, with no trade down, but rather more trading up into prestige brands. The lipstick indicator is an economic trope. When times get tough, a little luxury like lipstick is something shoppers are last to give up. But Nabi told me that actually the fragrance indicator might better encompass genders and ages.
At Coty, we love to talk about what we call the fragrance index. Fragrances are booming, specifically in the US, but globally, this category is 20% ahead above the levels of 2019. And this really speaks a lot to what's so unique about this category. It's a category that says things about who you are and about how you feel, which are two very important elements currently.
I guess as we reemerge, we all want to smell pretty good. And scents winning across the board. Estee Lauder fragrance net sales grew 22%. Ulta fragrance saw double-digit comp growth. Macy's CEO Jeff Gennette told me fragrance remains a standout for the retailer. And if you look at the retail ETF, the XRT, over 3 months, shares are up 2%. But eyes, lips, face, ELF, those shares up 55%, Coty up 22%, and Ulta and Estee Lauder up 15% in that same period of time. Becky.
Court, I know we've been looking at the lipstick indicator for decades and decades, and it was supposed to be a good sign. I just wonder how much it's messed up with the idea that people are so excited to buy lipstick because they took off their masks. Right? How did COVID and all of those things kind of play into it this time around?
No, I know that's such a good point, and I sort of thought the same thing, right? And then maybe because we didn't buy it for so long, and now we're seeing a big jump. But really, when you look sort of even deeper within the beauty category, so the example of fragrance is a good one. That's certainly beyond lipstick. They're just seeing strength across the board. Jeff Gennette talked to me about color cosmetics really coming back. Gen Z is more into contouring. Clean beauty has become really important, and so you're seeing sales in that category really take off in a category that didn't previously exist. And I think a lot of consumers sort of associate the cosmetics, beauty, skincare, all with this self-care and wellness, which is a trend that I don't think is going away anytime soon. And we're also all staring at our own faces on screens all the time, right? Whether it's like FaceTime or Zoom, right. You can't help but sort of give yourself a little look before you look at the people you're talking to. I have to imagine that has something to do with this.
What is clean beauty? Is that like the organic stuff that doesn't have as many chemicals in it?
Exactly. Yeah, exactly. So it's the idea that, products are cleaner and they're less filled with sort of artificial ingredients. Maybe they're vegan, maybe they're gluten-free, which I know sounds silly because you're not ingesting it. But, of course, that is important to some consumers. The trade-off, of course, for years has been the performance wasn't as good. But the Coty CEO, Sue Nabi, was telling me that they've actually done a much better job getting sort of full-day coverage, but also emerging in this clean beauty category. So just sort of check both boxes. And the better those cosmetics get, the more willing consumers are looking for them and the more willing they are to pay up for them, frankly.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.